So I wanted to talk a little bit about um, finding low-cost plants, shrubs, trees for your food forest, landscaping, gardens, whatever project you're working on. All of these I just picked up today from my local conservation district. They do a tree plant sale every year in the spring, and mostly what they sell is bare root or plugs. They sell them in packets of 5, usually for $10. So on average you're paying $2, maybe $3 per plant. Some of these, it's hard to see right here, but are pretty much as tall as me, about 5 feet tall. So they're decent size plants. Some of them are very tiny. These are little quaking aspens. So just some of the things that I got today, and I actually ordered really late, so a lot of what I wanted was sold out. Like I wanted a lot of more food type crops, but I got some dogwood that are good understory trees because my other property is a woodland, and I'm just trying to increase the types of species and habitat for birds and all kinds of little critters. I also got white mulberry. I got chokecherry, cold hardy mimosa, witch hazel. These are kinnikinics, and these are 8 elderberry plugs. And the story behind that is I actually ordered quaking aspen, and when I pulled in to pick up my trees, they said the quaking aspen had already sold out or was run out. And so they asked if I wanted something instead, and I said, if you have any elder, that was the only thing that I really wanted that was already sold out, and they said sure. So they said that, they just put in elder plugs. Well, instead of 5, there's 8, and then I found in the bottom of the bag this little tiny package of the of the quaking aspen. So I ended up getting 8 extra plants there. I also got a 6th cold hardy mimosa, and one of the other things I ordered, because I'm completely Scotland obsessed, are Scots pines, which they were offering this year. And instead of 1 bag, I got 2. So I think part of that was that because of this whole situation, they couldn't do their normal extras sale. Normally what happens is they have one weekend, you come and pick up all your stuff that you ordered, but you can also show up and buy whatever excess they had. So I'm thinking they're maybe just starting to throw stuff in to people's orders. So I think that's why I got 2 Scots pines. Sometimes, like with the cold hardy mimosa, sometimes you'll open up the package and there'll be 6 instead of 5, or that's not unusual. So I think that's just what happened there. I'm really feeling very grateful that I got all these elderberry. I'm very excited about that. And I was going to show you, so last year I ordered a bunch of stuff as well. I potted it up and it's sat out here. I didn't cover it, I didn't do anything to it, and everything except for one thing survived. So these are golden chain trees right here. There's 4 of them. One of them didn't survive. I have golden currants. These are purple lilacs, I believe. No, these are the Japanese tree lilac. And then I have a couple more Japanese tree lilac. I got a couple of mock orange, and out of the shadow here, these are purple lilacs. These are just some other plants, corner spuds yellow, that I bought that survived. These are a couple of lilacs that I pruned runners, and they've been sitting in these pots for like 3 years now, so clearly they're surviving. And then this is 1 gooseberry. When I got the 2 packs of gooseberries that I bought, I gave my mom a bunch of the ones that looked really good, and out of mine, this was the only one that looked like it was alive. And you could see like most of this is dead, but it did put out a new shoot this spring. So that's good. So all of those lilac, you can see there's like a bazillion little runners and sprouts. That's a purple lilac right there, and these are two white ones, and they're probably 35 years old. So I've been trying to prune that back and save some of the cuttings. So definitely check out if you have a conservation district in your area. It's a great place to get low-cost plants, especially ones that are suited for your area, and ones that would sometimes be cost prohibitive to buy. So that's just a little tip, and these are all going to get moved to my property in the next couple of weeks. I have no idea where I'm planting everything, but worst case scenario, if things don't get planted, I will build another hoop house like this to store stuff in, just to give it some extra protection, and that hopefully it will survive the snowy winters up there. Alright, talk to you later.